Hello guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are cool. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm going to be sharing this amazing tutorial with you guys. Feather braids using Brazilian wool. I know some people don't make use of braiding hair, they make use of only wool. So I brought this amazing DIY to you guys. Make sure you keep on watching, then watch to the end, because you may think it's the same tutorial like the one I uploaded. The more I make this hair, the more I learn the mistake, which I'm here for you guys to tell you what you should not do when you want to achieve this particular hair. Make sure you keep watching, and please, most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this amazing channel. Like, comment down below so that YouTube can actually push this video out. Total length I cut this hair into two is 36 inches. No, don't be scared. It won't be long like that, because when we fold it into two, you are going to get the normal length. I make use of 5 strands of Brazilian wool. If you want to achieve this kind of hairstyle, do not use more than 5 strands, unless it's going to be bulky. The tip when we want to achieve that particular feathers style, please do not make it to be more than 5 strands of Brazilian wool. That part is very, very important. After I'm done rolling, I add hot water into the wool. Make it air dry, please allow it to air dry. I actually get my own heater, house heater. That was why it got dry on time, me achieving this style the same day. Please, most important part, allow it to air dry all by itself. Please, that part is very, very important. So this is the main reason why I said please do not use more than 5 strands of Brazilian wool, because of the coils. When you separate the coils, the Brazilian wool won't be together, like it will be scattered, the coils will be scattered. That is why it's important for you to make use of the amount of the wool, like the strands you want to use to achieve. And if you make it more than 5 strands, the coils will fall on time and it will come out so good like that, and you won't achieve the feather tip you want to achieve. And this part also is important for you to know. Please do not cut the gum glue. Do not cut it to be too big, because if it's too big, you won't achieve the feather tips you want to achieve. Then another important part is the strand of the wool we are using, this sewing wool. People do ask me in my comments, is a sewing wool. The gum is not a straw, it's a gum glue. You can easily find it on AliExpress or Temu or any store they sell all these bookstore stuff. You can find it there. Then this important part also, when rolling the thread, please make sure you didn't roll it more than 7 strands. If it's more than 7 strands, it will be more than big. 7 or 6 strands is better. So this part also is important. Make sure you like, please make sure you like and comment down below. If you want installation video about this particular hair, make sure you like, yes, and make sure you comment down below. The more I see the engagement, the like, it's not easy to do all these things. You understand? It's not easy. So you guys are going to motivate me to do full installation. You understand? Make sure you thumbs up, like, share. Then I'm going to bring the installation for you guys to see how beautiful this turnout. You understand? And please subscribe and keep on watching.